Sanibona bafethu uvane sports lo. So ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game ade sidlala namhlanje. Njengoba nibonile bafethu ade sidlala against iChippa United. Ade sidlala ePort Elizabeth. Aba-fans aphume ngobuningi abokungijabulisile ukubona ama-fans ephuma ezosupport Orlando Pirates. Yize singenzi kahle kule insuku but ke ama-fans akhombisile ukuthi iclub ayithanda. Yabo, iclub sayithanda so ke bafethu. So sihambile ke namhlanje sayodlala. Yabo, a good approach eqhamuke kwi-side le coaching staff namhlanje le decide ukuthi liqale ngentsha. Yabo, nibonile ke namhlanje intsha starting from epalini ngeke ngikhuluma kakhulu because ungenele isikhala sika Sebuchain because uSebuchain ube suspended. Buthelezi wenze kahle Buthelezi. Mase siza kuma center backs nimbonile Mbokazi was exceptional. Mbokazi was exceptionally ezodlala i-debut yakhe against iChippa United ka right wing back bekhona uNdlozi nakhona and futhi nakhona uNdlozi ube solid lapha bafethu. Ube solid uNdlozi, kungijabulisile ukubona abafana abancane bengena namhlanje yabo bethola ithuba lokuthi badlale kwi-Betway Premiership. Mase ukuthi nalapha phambili ke bekhona oNkota benomfuking abadlali sibajwayele. Our 4 DDC products ade siwabona edlala yabo in the last 2 years. Yabo, in the last 2 years Orlando Pirates isidlalise 4 DDC products abadlala kwi-first team Orlando Pirates sibabone bedlala namhlanje. But ke size kwi-game namhlanje Orlando Pirates iwinile 1-0 ngegoli elikorwe ulomfana lo Sibisi first half. Ngilibonile igoli elikorwe uSibisi, it was a corner kick. Sibisi wanqofela phakathi, uNwabali akabonanga. Yabo, akabonanga. Ngithandile kodwa le yakhona. I'm sure abantu abaningi abayibonanga. Umfuking ngosikhathi eshaya ikhona ushaye ngathi ubiza uNkota. Yabo, ngosikhathi eshaya ngathi ubiza uNkota leli khala ligqo number 5 le iChippa United lasuka kwiposition yakhe. Lasuka kwiposition yalo la ade kumele limake khona uSibisi because uSibisi uqhamuka from the back wazohead ibhola la ade kumkhona leli khala uNkota ulidonsile. Yabo, ushaye ngathi uya kumfuking washaya icross uqhuma sezohead. Abali understanda ibhola njengami mhlawumbe bazongiza but ke mina ngiyibone kanjalo ukuthi uNkota ukudropa kwakhe umfana ovela washaya i-cross wase wafika kuSibisi washaya inet. Yabo, so yeah, ngizokhuluma igame ke namhlanje. Igame first half siqale nje nge-first half. I-first half uSibisi benombokazi ama-yellow card abawatholile abenginasi isidingo. Besingekho isidingo sokuthi bathole lawo ama-yellow cards. I-yellow card yambokazi I can see umfana besatatazela 2 minutes of the first 2 minutes igamini umjida uthola i-yellow card. Yabo, besana lolu valo lo phela beqala ukudlala Orlando Pirates first team. Yabo, so besana lolu valo lolu but ke throughout the game uvalo luphelile kumfana. I-yellow card kaSibisi bingena sidingo. Angifaqama i-yellow card kaSibisi bingena sidingo besingekho isidingo sokuthi adive lapha. Yabo, konje njobe divile ngiyazadlala next game. This game ngesibe nawo Sibisi. So kumele si-opte for bani? So opta ngayo xoka. Ngeke ngazi noma uSibisi ngiyazadlale kwi-cup game noma igame esoyidlala ku-Betway Premiership no masidlala neSteelers. Yipi igame wangitshela ama-comments ukuthi yipi igame uSibisi azoyimisa. Ingabi le game lesoyidlala khona neSteelers noma le game le esoyidlala khona neSuperSport ngeweekend. Yabo, ngeke ngazi ukuthi asebenza kanjani ke amakama yellow card kwizinto ezikanje. But ke uSibisi next match ngiyaza ayidlali uSibisi bafethu suspended. Yabo, thola i-match suspension njengoba nibonile lapha. uDlamini nginethuba limoshile mfethu first half. Nginethuba limoshile first half lapho khona sibone khona lo mfana lo umfuking econnecta kahle beno Dion Holt. Yabo, walimisa ke lela thuba lela but ke angikhuluma kakhulu ngoDlamini. Ndlozi lapha in the right back position. uNdlozi bafethu udlala kamnandi. Ndlozi udlala kamnandi bafethu umfana and it looks like umfana right now khona azomthathela isingo kuleya position. It looks like umfana khona azomthathela isingo kuleya position. Ngiyathandaza nje because leya position igcwele ama-injury. Angazi kwenzakalani lapha in the right back position. Angazi kwenzakalani lapha but igcwele ama-injury leya position. I just hope umfana uyakwazi ukuyiqeda nje le season. Aqede noma mhlambe 4 seasons ekuleya position ekwi-Pirates. Yabo, namhlanje it was his first start and indlela adlala ngakhona he was exceptional. yabo. He was very very good, yabo. Another player ongambona kahle first half Makahleni Makaula was a bit shaky for me. Makahleni Makaula at the first half was a bit shaky. Angazi bekwenzakalani ngomshida, maybe angazi mhlawumbe irust ngingazi but Makahleni Makaula for me first half angimbonanga ngidlalela kamnandi, yabo. Ngimbonanga ngidlalela kamnandi, benayo umbokazi yabo beyishake, but throughout the game ukhombisile ukuthi umfana isiyeza confident, yabo. Isiyeza impela confident, but ke Mbatha first half Mbatha was very good, calm, indlela libamba ngakhona ibhola urelaxile, yabo. Akatatazeli kakhulu, uyakwazi ukuthena nebhola angavela shaya amaphasi angenasidingo, uyakwazi ukuthena nebhola abheka ama teammates wakhe, abantu abafaka isikipho esinjengayo mase phasela ibhola, aphose ibhola lapho, yabo. Second half nakhona futhi Mbatha uqale kamnandi. For me Mbatha bengamnikeza man of the match, yabo. For me Mbatha bengamnikeza man of the match, but ke ethole uSibisi into engiyithande ngayo namhlanje, into eyenze uMbokazi adlale kahle kule game. uSibisi was a leader in these young kids. uSibisi ubeyileader kule team Orlando Pirates, yabo. kuMbokazi benondlozi ukwazile ukuba shielder, ukwazile ukuba guide ekudefending ibhali lethu, yabo. Namhlanje nje uButhelezi ubengenayo pressure ningi, uButhelezi bengenayo pressure ningi. iChipa United ibena one shot on target, that tells you ukuthi abafana laba badlalile namhlanje. uMbokazi benondlozi, yabo. Angeke ngibabali la abanye abawu2 okuHotso benolo mfana lo uSibisi, ngeke ngibabali, but uNdlozi benoMbokazi badlalile namhlanje ngenxa yaSibisi. uSibisi ubekwazi uba guide, yabo. Abakhombisa ukudlalwa kanjani, yabo. uSibisi beyileader impela. uNkota for me kule game ube rust, I don't wanna lie. Kodwa for me kule game ube rust up front, angazi noma yimina yini bengekho net offensive, but sure uNkota thina offensive okwazi ukuthi mekhatha in uyashaya, yabo. Mekhatha in uyashaya, but namhlanje yize belokhu bembamba, yabo. I feel like uSikhumbuzo Gasa bekumele uSikhumbuzo Gasa, I feel like for me uSikhumbuzo Gasa be against Orlando Pirates, but ke angifuna ukukhala kakhulu ngo-refs. Utholile 3 points, yabo. uGoodman Mosele ungenile wadlala kahle. uGoodman Mosele, I feel like uGoodman Mosele umunye womdlali emele simqalise. Ngifuna ukubona i-combination yaGoodman beno talented, but I wanna see something, maybe those 2 players. Angazi, ngifuna ukubona something, angazi noma mina yini ohalela ukubona le yanto i-combination yaGoodman Mosele benoMbatha, yabo. Because I see something mengenile uGoodman Mosele, I see something ngathi khona anako, yabo. uMfukeng yabo. ekamfukeng angifuqa amamba futhi. I feel like uMfukeng i-confidence yakhe iyehla umjida, angazi noma mina inobona leyo nto. I-confidence yakhe umjida iloku iyehla kancane. I feel like umthwalo awuthwele right now, umthwalo awuthwele as isithenjwa se-Orlando Pirates. Phela akukho mnandi ukuba isithenjwa, he's young, akukho mnandi ukuba isithenjwa right now. I-pressure ibheke yena, yabo. So umjida I hope uyakwazi ukuregain i-confidence yakhe, because I see i-confidence yakhe ngathi siya drop right now, siya drop i-confidence yakhe. And I like indlela uJose Riviero aprogramme ngakhona uNdlozi. I like indlela uJose Riviero aprogramme ngakhona uNdlozi. uNdlozi is not the type of player omthole phambili isidingo singekho. uNdlozi he is too defensive, yabo. Akahambi kakhulu, too defensive, akekho offensive njengabo Van Rooyen, njengabo Monyane, you can name them, abuShando, yabo. But ke overall game I didn't ngizothi ngokwami asidlalanga ibhola elimnandi leli ngijwayele ukulibona, but ke ithe siyophela igame bese siqala lapho sikwazi ukuconnect, sikwazi ukubonana khona, sesidlala ibhola esilijwayele, yabo. Ukuba khona kwaTeto kuyayisiza Orlando Pirates, yilo engakusho. I'm sure abantu abaningi ngibavumelane nami lapho kuma comments, but bafethu iqiniso nje leli msulo, iPirates mekhona uTeto idlala ibhola elisile. Mengeke uTeto kuyabonakala ukuthi akekho uTeto Maswanganye uyiplay ibhola elingekho mnandi, yaba. Ngifuqa mali leli ibhola esidlalela namhlanje mina angilithandanga, hayi kabi. I didn't like the way we played today, but ke we got the 3 points. Ukuthi league isa on noma cha, because Sundowns idrop ama points, mina angifuni ukuyinikeza ithemba kakhulu ngeleague, yabo. Yizi idropile ama points moment Sundowns, but ke phezulu isak 55 yabo thina la ko 30 I think 39 if I'm not mistaken. So angifuna ukuyineza ithemba kakhulu because sinokudropa nje ama points isidingo singekho. Weqinisile uManqoba Mnqithi, we tend to drop points against small teams isidingo singekho. Last game kwangamelanga si drop ama point. Yabo ukube mhlambe siwinile igame esiphuma kuyona and sayiwina nale mhlambe ngizoba nalo ithemba liphezulu Premiership. But ayike iyona mina indlela engiyibone ngakhona igame. Yabo ngangitshela wona ama comments uthi uyibone kanjani igame Orlando Pirates between iChibo United. Yabo ngiyabonga bafethu uVane Sports, ungakhohlwa usubscribe.